Hi there. If you're like me, you enjoy camping. But whenever you go camping, oftentimes you want to take somebody with you, whether it be a spouse, kid, maybe even your pet. Well, the typical camping chairs don't hold more than one person very comfortably. This here is actually a double wide chair, so it's actually more of like a love seat for camping. Comes in a nice carrying case, which is great. The actual unit itself is only 15 pounds, so it's not very heavy, so it's very easy to get around. It does come very nice strapped together. Velcro strap. Once we get that off, simply expands out. This is a 40-inch width for the base part here, and it's about a 5 foot on the actual overall spread for the upper. So it does allow you plenty of room. It can hold up to 350 pounds per seat. So a total of 700 pounds for the entire thing. You can easily bring, like I said, if you want to have your pet sit next to you, like I do, that's great. Or if you had somebody else wanted to go. Another nice thing is you've got these deep cup holders, which are insulated and adjustable. So you can easily put a standard water bottle, or if you've got one of those big Chibas, like a 44-ounce Big Gulp or whatever, that's adjustable, you can put that down in there and it's got a big deep pocket for there. So that really allows for some nice thing going on there. It does have some nice fabric, and another nice thing is this is a lower slung chair, so it's about 13.5 inches off the ground. So if you've got little kids, you need to be able to get in and out of here, easily can do that, and it kind of reclines back a little bit to give you a little more natural recline on that. But that's not all. There also is other features that they throw in here as well to kind of rope it in. You actually have two mesh pockets in the back. So if you're going to be putting books, camping gear, extra foldable fishing poles, whatever you're taking with you, going out to the beach maybe, this thing would be great for that. You got a little area to put all that too. So plenty of area around this thing. Great fabric, great steel frame, super easy to transport, super easy to set up, collapsible. Again, only 15 pounds roughly for this guy. So not heavy at all. You can carry it around on your back and then put it in that convenient carrying sack and it's ready for you next time.